Baidu Venture and Baidu Capital, we are all affiliates of Baidu Group. But for Baidu Capital, we are a kind of independent from Baidu Group. We are, the majority of our money is outside. And Baidu Group is definitely our co-GP. And Baidu Venture, according to my understanding, is actually the majority of money is from Baidu Group. So this is the first difference. Second one, Baidu Venture is early stage VC fund. It's look at like angel and A round. For us, we look at the mid to late stage, the growth stage. So typically from B round. So this is how we are different. But we can work together, you know. They venture into the early stage companies and we look at the later one, mid to later stage. And frequently we have a lot of dialogue and have a lot of knowledge sharing. Oh yeah, you know Baidu is a leader in AI in China. And I think it's better for us to leverage on Baidu's strategic resources. So we build around Baidu's strength. Our primary focus is on AI. And I set up two teams. One team is primarily look at this AI-related technology, the underlying technology, all the way from the basic structure to the application level. And so this is a very hardcore type of the focus. Another one, you know, for AI, for all those good technologies, for them to become like meaningful, can be implemented in the real world, they need a very big user base. So my second team is basically look at those platform companies for AI can be implemented efficiently. In China, I think maybe for the industry worldwide, AI is still at the early stage of this commercialization and merchandisation. So I think the first batch of the platform that can be efficiently utilizing the AI technology would be those platforms have very large user base, especially those structured user base. So this is about like transportation, education, healthcare, something like that. So this is primarily how we structure our team and our focus. Baidu probably gathered kind of first tier of AI engineers in China. So they become our free consultant. So whenever there are some deals, my team, we personally build a quite good relationship with those engineers in Baidu, and we have very frequent dialogue. And I even set up some like seminar for my team to have a frequent dialogue and frequent workshop with these engineers in Baidu. So I think this is very, very good collaboration here. And the second one is Baidu is also like the largest paid search platform in China. So it's also attract a lot of companies that they want to utilize Baidu's traffic distribution capability. So this is also what we can work together, like add some value to our team. I think it's unavoidable. These three giants, they compete hand in hand on some areas. And so obviously we were running to the same companies, especially the good companies. So I think it's very unavoidable, but I think generally speaking, it's very friendly still. We run into some cases that ultimately we won because although they have some concern about Baidu, but they really like me and like my team, so we still win it. So I think it's at the end of the day for a PE fund, no matter how backup you can get from your group, the team's quality is still the number one thing. Yeah.